I was looking for some fossils in some of the broken rock, and came to find this little broken piece. You can see the speck of coal dust, coal in there. In the solid sandstone layer, there was this brown little chunk of coal that got compressed. That was a life form of some manner at one time, and I wonder how big it was. Was it as big as me? Big as a horse? To force it to that kind of pressure and form? Somebody out there might ought to know. I don't know. And here we are, ran over here to this other side. We're gonna keep going, moving along with our adventure today. Well, people hanging out with the fire. The girls are going back up. Yep, met me before. I think I still see the bike up there. Need to bring a trash bag next time I come up here. Definitely will. Neat place. Yeah, nothing right. Right. Let's continue on. Let's see how much further we can go. Still got riding to do. Catch us in the next video.